Hello and welcome to Exquisite Info, your how-to channel on YouTube. Today we're going to talk about an extension known as Join Honey. What this extension does, it automatically applies coupons and vouchers to your purchases on visited websites that has vouchers and coupons available at that time. It will apply them to your purchase, not only that, but the best one available at that time, and it will also give you further points, which is known as Honey Gold, which you can redeem later on for gift vouchers. So without any further ado, let's get straight down to it. So first things first, come to Google and type in Join Honey. You will come across to this website, joinhoney.com. Now before you do anything, I want you to click on this, which says number 2, installing the Honey browser. And what it is, once you click on it, it's installing the Honey browser extension, okay, which is what's going to do the magic for us. So this extension, as you can see, you can download it for Chrome, you can download it for Safari, you can download it for Firefox, almost Opera, any browser that you can think of. Though my personal recommendation would be to use it on, of course, Google Chrome, because it's nice and easy to use. So once you've done that and you've installed it, I'm using Chrome, so I'll show you in my extensions. You go to your extensions, and as you can see, it's already installed and it's turned on. Now once you come up here and you install it and you turn it on, it's going to ask you to log in. Now for that, what you have to do then after this is create an account. On the home page here, this will have sign up and sign in. So sign up is free. You sign up with them for free. Use the actual web email address, because they're going to send you a verification email. So that's very important. So once you verify that, you get the verification email. Use them credentials to log in to your extension. Once you've done that, you've got everything. I'm just going to show you my account for the past vouchers that I've used and the points that I've gained. So these are some of the transactions that I've had recently. As you can see, these are all pending and they'll clear off in a couple of days. All of this has been done. Clearing. Okay, and there's much more. I'll show you all. As you can see, points upon points, and these are the ones that are cleared. So cleared. Okay, and there's just more and more, and that's some of the extra vouchers that I got off of it. Okay, now to redeem it, you just click on redeem over here once you get your points. Okay, and your points, it says my one is 458. I need 842 more to get a gift card. Now as you know, I've already got about 460 pending, so that will come up with about 400 left, which I can probably get in 1 or 2 more purchases, and then I've got another voucher. So this is always very handy. They will always give you, if you don't use it, then you can add up extra to get a bigger voucher. So for example, if you get a $5 voucher, if you hold your points, keep on doing extra, you get a $10 voucher, then you get a $20, $30, and so forth. Now without further ado, let me show you how it applies coupons to your purchases. So now I've just come to a website. It does hosting and domaining. So now we come here, and what I'm going to do is go to its hosting. Okay, and I'm just going to pick up any hosting with the domain, everything, so then I can show you what's working. So what we're going to do, we're just going to make a new domain. So any new domain, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then what I'm going to do now, I'll take that. It's available. That's fine. That's good to go. Let's see this a lot. So what we're going to do now is we are going to connect it. Okay, so we'll connect that to our hosting as well. Okay, as you can see, 2123 add to cart. Okay, as you can see now, there we go. It's dropped down, and it's saying to us that it has 5 discount codes available, as you can see there. So all I do is just click on apply. I don't have to do anything, just click on apply. Now this is very good system right here. You don't do anything, just leave it, let it apply. Okay, and we'll keep on giving you the best price available at that time. There you go, look, it's gone down to $14.91. Now if you don't do anything, just let it do. It went back up because it got another code, 1881, so that's not a good code. Now it's asking us to complete a captcha, so we can give it the best code. I'm going to do just that. Okay, and it's telling us for a bus, so that's a bus, that's a bus, that's a bus, and that's a bus. Okay, we'll confirm this captcha now. Okay, now as you can see, it's going to apply now. There we go. Okay, there we go. So we saved $6.77. It's actually £6.77, so it's a lot more in dollars, but it's just seeing it as that. And it's also given us between 13 to 195 gold after purchase. So we've already saved that. Plus it's going to give us these gold points that we can redeem later on. So as you can see, there you have it. And there is the code on there, as you can see. Let's put the code on there, special offer. So where it was at 21.20 or somewhere odd, we've already got £6-7 worth of difference there. So I think that's pretty good considering such a easy task to do. But nevertheless, if you like this content and you like everything, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that we can always upload videos like this and you will be notified first before anything else. If you like the content, as always, please hit the like button as it helps us maintain our video quality, and at the same time other viewers who are interested in this type of content will end up receiving this content on time. Once again, thank you very much for visiting. If there's any content that you would like us to work on, please let us know and we'll take it from there. Thank you. Bye bye.